In today's video, I will show you another of my plugin, and this plugin is frankly the holy grail for affiliate marketers. It can do so much, especially for Amazon affiliate marketing. Like I'm sure if you're serious about Amazon affiliate marketing, you will want to use this plugin. And like my other plugins, it has a free version and a pro version, and free version offers a lot. So I do believe you'll like to use the free version. So I'll put the link in the description box below. Just click there, you'll come to this page and you can download the free plugin from here. Okay, and if you like the free version, if you like what it does, then you can get the pro one too. So let me show you. Let me just log in to one of my sites. I want to show you what this plugin does. Okay, so it does 3-4 main features, and frankly each of these features needed separate dedicated video. If you want, I can make more dedicated videos focusing on each of those features, but in today's video I'll just show give you let's say bird's eye overview of the plugin. So you will download the zip file from here. You will come to your WordPress dashboard, you will go to add plugin, you'll upload the plugin, you'll activate it. Okay, and that's it. Once you activate it, you will come here, and here you will see a dashboard. These are some of the main features, and you can turn them on and off depending on your website, depending on your demands. Okay, so each of these features does separate things. First of all, the first thing you need to do is go to auto tagger. First of all, sorry, let me show you. First of all, turn auto tagger on. Okay, if you don't turn this on from here, then these features will not get activated. So first, turn on auto tagger. So once you have turned on the auto tagger, you'll go to global settings, and in global settings you will set your affiliate tag. Okay, so you can set just one, like I have set here, because I don't have separate tags for each of the marketplaces. You can set one here, which will be the default one. What this will do is, in every Amazon link you have in your site, even if they are not properly tagged with your affiliate ID, this little thing will tag them automatically. Okay, so next time you want to link out to an Amazon product, you don't need to think about appending your affiliate tag ID within the link. You will not need to think anything else. Just copy paste the link and the auto tagger will do its job. It will insert your affiliate tag ID within the link, so you get proper attribution for the sales. You will not need to think about attaching any affiliate tag ID with the Amazon product links. Okay, so this is what the auto tagger does. And the next amazing thing is the Amazon product blog. So suppose in one of my posts, when you activate it, you go to a post. Suppose I go to this one, and that feature allows a Gutenberg block in your post editor. Okay, so if I search for Amazon, you can see this Amazon product. Okay, now I will just have to put in a link here. So suppose I go to amazon.com. Let me look for something. Okay, this is a Amazon TV or Ecosh or something like that. Okay, you will just grab in the raw link, put it here, and fetch product. This thing will fetch the link, and it will put in the image from Amazon. Amazon used to have this, we have this site strip, and we used to get link for image, but now we don't. So with this feature, you can directly pull in the image from Amazon, and also if you don't like this one, you can swap in the image. Okay, you can swap in, and you can choose whichever you want. Also, it also brings in the title, but if you don't like the Amazon one, you can just use your own title. Okay, and you can also have description, use your own description, and you can customize this button too, like I can use buy now on Amazon. So you can do all of this very easily. It helps a lot for Amazon affiliate marketers to pitch in product recommendations, and also you can do some other stuff like I can pull in brand information, bullet features, etc. automatically from Amazon if you have the creators API. But using the creators API, it is in the pro version of the plugin, and also you'll need to be qualified for using the creators API. There are some requirements from Amazon. I'll talk about those later. Okay. You can also pull in live price and stock information using the creators API. But if you don't have the creators API, and if you don't have the pro version of the plugin, then these options will not be applicable for you. Okay, so this way you can easily pitch in Amazon products within your blog post very easily with image, description, title, and a link to button. Okay, and all of this will automatically link out with your tag. Okay, so let me just show you. If I put save, yeah, if you remember, I didn't include any I didn't include my affiliate tag ID here. Okay, I just put in the raw link. Now if I go to the front end, and if I click on the product block, where is it? Yeah, this one. If I click on the product block, you will see it is already tagged with my affiliate ID. So I don't need to think about appending my affiliate ID to the URLs anymore. These are all very automatic. I will delete this one because I don't want that. And so with this Amazon product block, you can have as many product blocks as you want. Okay, now let me show you another very interesting thing, and that is the keyword linker feature. You will turn that on. You will come here, and what this feature does is something very amazing. With this feature, you will have rows. Okay, so I can put a keyword in a rule. There are three things: keywords, call out text, and destination URL. So I can put the keyword here like digital photo frame, and then I can put a call out text. Now whenever there in your blog post or in your any of your pages, whenever the plugin finds this keyword, it will attach this callout text next to this keyword, and this callout text will be linkable with this destination URL. What this means is, every time you use digital photo frame, you will not have to think about linking it to the Amazon product. Okay, this linking will be done automatically, and it will use this callout text, and it will use the destination URL. You will put the Amazon product URL here. You will do it once, and you will not have to think about it anytime again. Okay, you can have multiple keywords here. You can target by category, tag, etc. You have link options, etc. You have all sorts of stuff. Let me show you one. Yeah, I found one. You see here, this is a mini projector, and you can see in the bracket there is a callout text. If I see my rules, yeah, here mini projector, this is the callout text, and you can see the callout text is wrapped with this link. So every time in any of my blog posts, if there is a mini projector word, then this callout text will appear. Okay, you can click here and you can see it links to this product. I don't have to do it manually. I just set it in the rule just once, and then I forget about it. Okay, and you can see it is properly tagged with my affiliate ID. So this is how it works. And you might ask, if a post has multiple mini projector word instances, then what will happen? Then the plugin will choose only the first one. It will not append this keyword linker multiple times in a post for the same keyword. Okay, I hope I made you understand. So in the free version, you get to use 5 of these rules, but in the pro, you will get unlimited rules. So this is very interesting. Okay, so another thing is the FTC disclosure. So many people forget about it, but if you are doing Amazon affiliate marketing or any kind of affiliate marketing, you will need to disclose it. So we have a FTC disclosure thing. So you can choose where you want, what disclosure text you want. You can choose the styling, and it will appear something like this. Okay, let me do refresh. I just don't like this thing. Okay, so okay, so I have shown you keyword linker, product block, auto tagger, FTC disclosure, and link checker. Okay, and now let's see what are the pro features. So the first pro features is the click analytics. If you get the pro one, you will find an analytics like this one, and it will show you how many clicks your Amazon links are getting, which product is getting the most click from which post, and what type of from which feature the links are getting clicks. Like let me show you by source module. So I have shown you multiple source modules. You can see from here which source module is bringing in the most clicks, which country, CTA text, product, post, everything, every single thing you will need to know for doing affiliate marketing properly, you will find in this analytics dashboard. Okay. And also I've talked to you about the creators API. This is for the pro version of the plugin. Remember, if you just buy the pro version, you will not get the creators API automatically. You will have to apply to Amazon for that. And also Amazon requires you to have at least I think 10 qualifying sales for the last 30 days or something like that. You'll have to check. If you qualify, then you will get to have the creators API. So create the creators API from Amazon. Amazon will give you a client ID and client secret key. Put those in here. You can check it, save changes, and whenever we use the product block I showed you, this product block, you will get to fetch in prices data, stock data, and lots of other data if you have the creators API. Okay, if you want, I will make a more dedicated video on the creators API too. So this is the overall the features of this plugin. I'm using it every single day for my affiliate marketing business, and I hope you will too, because it has some features. It is not packed with a lots of features, but it has some features that will make your life as an affiliate marketer absolutely breeze. Okay, so the free version is here. If you want, check the link in the description box below. Download the free version, try out the plugin, let me know what you think. And if you think the plugin deserves it, the plugin will make your life easier, then buy the pro version. Thank you. If you have any more questions, let me know. I hope I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Tata.